My name is Sarah Franich and I'm a site administrator for Hawkins Construction. So I'm a Kiwi that was living in the UK for a couple of years and I originally came from Auckland, New Zealand. Decided to come back to New Zealand after living in the UK because of the COVID pandemic and also because my visa was about to expire and I didn't want to renew it. Hawkins is an awesome place to work. I absolutely love working with Hawkins. I've been here for nearly a year now and I have to say that the reasons why I love working here is because of the culture as well as the people and also the amount of variation I have in my role and the amount of opportunities that I have within Hawkins. My favourite thing about living in New Zealand is the lifestyle. I love travelling, reading and going for walks on the beach. The food I missed the most whilst overseas was definitely L&P and chocolate.